Hello again, everyone. This is Ms. Acevedo. Today you will start the first math lesson in our new online classroom. First, if you have not completed the activities from last week, you will need to pause this video and go do that first. There is an introduction video for you to watch, a course information sheet for you to read, and you will need to complete the week 1 check-in, which is a 10-point graded survey. Go do that now and then come back to this video. All right, let's get started. I'm going to show you in this video the week 1 module and explain the assignments you will need to complete for this week. I will also talk about additional links that I have on this page, like the recommended daily schedule for week 1 and the Zoom office hours RSVP Google form. Later today, I will post the links to the Zoom expectations and etiquette document and the Zoom meeting link for Tuesday, April 7th at 1 p.m. I will explain more about Zoom and office hours later on in this video. Let's start by showing you the recommended daily schedule for week 1. When you are done watching this video, this is what you are going to click on. This link takes you here. I made this chart to help you stay organized. It has 2 options for how to complete the module for this week. Option 1 is a slower pace. Option 2 is a faster pace. Let's look at option 2. For today, Monday, these are the activities from the module that you should complete. The objectives, the warm-up, the lesson, which includes a video, and 2 worksheets called worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2. By the time you get to worksheet number 2 today, you will probably have been working on math for 45 minutes. Think about it like this. In school, class periods are 46 minutes long. Try to make your online learning from home similar to what a regular school day looks like. At first, it's probably going to feel like it's taking you a long time to complete assignments. This is normal because this online distance learning is new for you. You're learning how it all works. This document is a recommended schedule. If for whatever reason you cannot follow the schedule exactly, that's okay. But you need to make sure that you are working at a pace that allows you to complete the module on time. Remember, this module is due on Wednesday, April 8th at 11:59 p.m. All right, I'm going to talk about some of the other assignments from this week that I haven't mentioned yet by showing you what they look like. Once you are finished looking at the recommended daily schedule for week 1, you're going to click on the week 1 module. To complete the module, you need to work through each task in order. You will not be able to go on to the next section until you are finished with the section you are working on. This module has objectives, a warm-up, a lesson, a practice quiz, a wrap-up, and a graded quiz that is worth 10 points and will be going into Portal for Quarter 3. It also has some additional resources in Spanish. I'm going to click through some of these so you can see what they look like. Here are the objectives for this week. This is the warm-up. Make sure you read all of the directions carefully and that you answer all parts of the question. For this warm-up, you are going to be posting onto a discussion board. The next part is the lesson. The required materials are listed here. There are 2 worksheets for you to complete. You can either print them out or you can type in them. Whichever method you choose, you must take notes as you watch this video. Once you finish worksheet number 2, this is where you should stop today. This is what I was talking about when I showed you the recommended daily schedule. When you log in to the module on Tuesday, you will click on the practice quiz, which is the next section of the module. The practice quiz grade does not go into Portal. This practice quiz is a review for the graded quiz, which does go into Portal. Think of it this way. If we were in class, in school, I would give you a review homework the night before a graded check or a formative. This practice quiz is like your review homework. Make sure you complete the practice quiz before 1 p.m. on Tuesday. This is because at 1 o'clock is when we will meet as a class during office hours on Zoom. Office hours are for you to get math help and ask questions. It is not a 45-minute class. I will not be teaching a new lesson during that time. Think of office hours like Pride or lunch. They are for you to get math help. You are not required to attend every single Zoom meeting. However, if you are struggling with the math we're learning, you will be asked to attend the office hours so that you can get the help you need to be successful. In the distance learning homepage, I posted the Zoom office hours RSVP Google form. This is a quick optional form if you want to sign up ahead of time for the Zoom help session. This form is for me to know what you need help with so that I can best support you. The form is optional but strongly recommended. If you know that you're struggling with something, this form will increase the chance of your specific math question getting answered during our Zoom office hours. All right, our last day of the week is Wednesday. On Wednesday, you will log into the module and complete the graded quiz. Very, very important information about this quiz. You are allowed 2 attempts on this quiz. Your highest score will go into Portal. If you receive a low score the first time you take the quiz, make sure you go back to the lesson, rewatch the video, review the practice problems you completed before you do the second attempt. The second attempt is your retake. And again, the highest score of the 2 scores will go into Portal. Remember that the graded quiz and the retake, if you do one, which you should because either way your highest score is the one that goes in Portal, all of this is due by Wednesday, April 8th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, I know that was a lot of information. Remember, you can rewatch this video at any point if you need to. If you have any questions, you can ask me during office hours, or if it's more urgent, you can email me at my mcpsmd.org email, or email me through the classroom portal. Go ahead and get started on Module 1.